So honestly, when I went into the training, I thought, "Okay, ठीक है मुझे तो like 90% आता है. It's only a 10% value add for me." But when I went into the training and sat for the first session, I realized that I hardly know anything about Excel, to be very honest. Basically, as a company, we are moving away from doing a lot of mundane and routine tasks which we do on a daily basis, which is very manual. So we wanted to automate certain things. So we kind of got in certain applications which will automate stuff. But there was something which can be done only in Excel. So we thought, why not give the finance guys these training so that they can actually use Excel in their day-to-day activities and make it more efficient in what they're doing. We did a survey kind of a thing where we asked people what kind of training do you really need. So they were of the opinion that they know Excel pretty much. There are a lot of things in Excel which we haven't explored and kind of new. That's when we realized there are a lot of things that we don't know, and this training will be really useful for our finance guys. In terms of preparing those interactive charts during MIS presentation, we kind of used what was given as templates to us, and even how they demonstrated it, how you can maneuver around those charts, etc. So that is really useful. And specifically, the material that was provided to us on that portal, I think that really helped because if you don't have those practical sheets to, work on, you won't really learn Excel. You can't just see on the screen and learn. Say on a rating scale, I would give a 9 out of 10 because the training was really good. And I collected some feedback from our team also. Everyone enjoyed every bit of it. Piyush and Prakhar were our trainers. Piyush was excellent. I mean, from the moment he started, he was brilliant. And we could see from his experience from Big Fours and conducting trainings over a long period of time, people really enjoyed because they were surprised to see so many new things in Excel, which they never knew. They never explored that. The trainings were conducted fully physically, which was an important prerequisite for us. On an overall basis, yeah, we are really satisfied with it. And like I had mentioned earlier, also we would for sure have Contetra conduct future trainings.